Workplace issues from Level 7. This is a summary of workplace conflicts that may arise from each level of consciousness. Just an experimental essay. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and comment on it, and check out the description for a little more information on what this is. If you'd like to know more about integral theory, please purchase a copy of my book. See the description. Level 1. Infrared. Business is a way to organize instinct. The first level of consciousness is not all that relevant to workplace conflict. It would pertain to emergencies and deaths in the workplace, things like that. Level 2. Magenta. Most workplaces do not allow Level 2 expression, so where magenta exists at work, it's often quietly in the background. Conflicts would include stalking, pretending somebody doesn't exist, running a contrary narrative to the business, highly immature and neurotic behaviors. Level 3. Red. Red is often tolerated at all levels of enterprise. Belittling, grudges, cronyism, hostility, impulsive, reactive, and narcissistic decision-making, inability to play roles appropriately, defer and follow instructions, stealing credit for other people's work, transactionalism, including business impropriety, misinformation, conspiracy, and sexual favors. Level 4. Amber. Only becomes a problem when amber has majority or leadership. They are a conspiracy or a cult based on membership in mythology. They will gate the progress of everyone else, treat everyone else unfair, vaguely hate everyone else. When in minority, they will often have the holier-than-thou attitude and constantly evangelize. Level 5. Orange. Reductionism. Anti-intellectualism, invalidating, belittling, a sort of hatred towards creativity and critical questioning beyond just devil's advocate positions. Lack of humanity or depth. They tend to self-maximize, which usually means giving everyone else the cheapest and worst deal possible, with minimal damage to brand or reputation, and seeing that as fair and reasonable, often bragging about it. Disrespect and dismissal towards those who haven't earned it, often through privilege. Level 6. Green. Thought policing and focus on inefficient sensitivity measures and training. Classically anti-hierarchy of any sort, often anti-structural. Endless processing can supplant decision-making and progress, though it can also result in a humanized, socially vital brand with internal loyalty and online presence. Big ideas often fail to ground themselves in practical methodologies. Level 7. Teal. In any case where a form of excellence is despised, teal will be targeted. Overly positive, healthy, intellectual, moral, sensitive, etc. Anti-anything will align against holistic. But teal should know this. Healthy teal essentially understands workplace conflict as I'm outlining it here. Teal absolutely must be humble, flexible, and adaptive, or it is not healthy. Unhealthy teal will seem, and often be, belittling, invalidating, reductionist, egocentric, persecuting non-holistic perspectives. As with every other level, the shadow form contradicts itself. Level 8. Turquoise. The conflict here is more like workplace versus not workplace. The turquoise that I see, perhaps, is often in a position of reinventing what workplace means. This most often includes full embrace of and participation in all previous levels, though not always. In general, turquoise is transitioning into a self-envisioned career workplace system. This has been unThinkMe. Namaste and thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.